So today we are going to know about adverb clause. Okay. Adverb clause. So what are adverbs? Adverbs are the words which qualify. Words which qualify. Qualify another verb which qualify a verb, adjective or another adverb. Okay. They are called adverbs, as you are already knew this. That adverbs are the words which qualify verb, adjective or another adverb. Like I can give you one example. I walk slowly. So here, what is the adverb here? I walk slowly. What is the adverb here? Can you tell me, children, what is the adverb here? I walk slowly. Can you tell me the adverb? Unmute yourself and tell me what is the adverb here? I walk slowly. Yes, slowly. And it is qualifying the verb. Okay. Then I walk very slowly. So here it is, very is adverb and it is also adverb. So it is qualifying another adverb. I am very smart. So here smart is adjective and very here is adverb. Adverb are the words which qualify verb, adjective or another adverb. Now we will come on to the clauses. Adverb phrases and adverb clause. Adverb phrase which does the work of adverb, that is called an adverb phrase. Like example, we should visit the temple before leaving town. We should visit the temple before leaving the town. So here you can see that it is telling us the time. Before leaving the town, we should visit the temple. We should visit the temple before leaving the town. We should visit the temple before leaving the town. So here before leaving the town is an adverb phrase. And you know in clause we need a subject and verb. Okay. We should visit the temple. We should visit the temple before we leave the town. We leave the town. So you can see here this is adverb clause. Before we leave the town, this is adverb clause. Because you can see here it is we is subject here and leave is verb. Am I clear, children? Now the difference is clear to you both in both the sentences. In first sentence, you just see that there is subject and verb is missing. So it is a phrase and both are adverb, phrase and adverb. Both are adverbs. Okay, that is adverb of time. Before leaving the town, it is giving us the time. So both are adverb, adverb. And what is the difference between adverb phrase and adverb clause? That in adverb phrase, we don't have subject and verb. Okay. Here you can see leaving, before leaving. We are using participle, non-finite verbs, which we are using in phrases. Okay. Am I clear, children? Or if there is any problem, tell me. Is this clear? Is this clear? So this is adverb clause of time. Okay. Now we are doing adverb clause of place. We'll know some more adverb clauses. Adverb clause of place. Adverb clause of place. Adverb clause of place. Example, where there is peace, there is prosperity. Where there is peace, there is prosperity. Prosperity. So what is the adverb clause here? Can you tell me, children? What is the adverb clause here? Can you tell me what is the adverb clause here?
While there is peace.
Where there is peace. Yes, where there is peace is adverb clause of place. Okay, adverb clause. So you can see here there is subject and is verb, finite verb. Okay. Now next, adverb clause of purpose. Adverb clause of purpose. Adverb clause of purpose. Example. What is the example of adverb clause of purpose? Note down my address lest you should forget it. Note down my address lest you should forget it. Lest you should forget it. Children, tell me the adverb clause here. Tell me. What is
Ma'am,
it?
last to forget it.
Very good, because it is telling us the purpose. Okay. So it is adverb clause of purpose. So I think up to this much is clear, or is there any problem? Up to this much is clear, children? Up to this much is clear. Shall I explain again? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Okay. Now next one is adverb clause of condition, of cause or reason. Okay. Adverb clause of cause or reason. Clause of cause or reason. Harish is hungry because he hasn't eaten anything since morning. Harish is hungry because he has not eaten anything since morning. Because he has not eaten anything since morning. Since morning. Can you tell me the clause here? Adverb clause.
Because he has not eaten anything
Yes.
since morning.
Very good. So this is the adverb clause of reason. Next one is adverb clause of condition. Adverb clause of condition. Adverb clause of condition. Unless you start early, you won't catch the bus. Unless you start early, you won't catch the bus. Catch the bus. Unless you start early, you won't catch the bus. Okay. So can you tell me here, what is the clause here?
Ma'am, unless you start early.
Very good. Unless you start early. Okay. Then adverb clause of result. Adverb clause of result. What is the example of adverb clause of result? She sang so sweetly that everybody was charmed. She sang so sweetly that everybody was charmed. Can you tell me the clause here?
Ma'am, so that.
Yes. Adverb clause of result. Okay. Adverb clause of comparison. Adverb clause of comparison. Adverb clause of comparison. He is as busy as a bee.
Ma'am, as.
Yes. As busy as bee. Then adverb clause of concession. Although this is an old car, it is in order. So
Ma'am,
in concession, you are
is-
using though, although, even though. Okay. Even though, if,
although.
however. Adverb clause of concession. You will use though, although, even though, however. These you will use. Adverb clause of concession. What are we using in concession? Although, though, even though, even though, however. So these words are used in adverb clause of concession.